Welcome to this ZENworks video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to activate the two products that are used to encrypt data on your managed devices. Activating full disk encryption enables creation and deployment of the disk encryption policy to encrypt one or more fixed disk volumes on managed devices. Activating endpoint security enables creation and deployment of the Microsoft Data Encryption policy to encrypt fixed disk folders and removable data drives. In the ZENworks Control Center, when you navigate to Security, Getting Started, you see three pages: Mitigating Vulnerabilities, Encrypting Devices, and Securing Devices. For this demonstration, we're activating the products for encrypting devices. Note that when you look at the activation icons for full disk encryption and endpoint security, they are each appended with a red minus symbol, indicating that the products are not activated. Clicking an Activate Product link takes us directly to the activation page for that product. From here, you can choose to start using the product with the evaluation license or enter and add a purchase license provided to you by Micro Focus. For now, we'll use the evaluation license. Now, if we return to the Getting Started page for encrypting devices, we can see that the activation icon is updated with a green check mark. We'll also activate endpoint security. You can use this navigation option at any time to return to the activation page for that product and update the license with the license key. Once these products are activated, you can create and deploy policies to these devices to encrypt fixed disk drives using full disk encryption and to encrypt removable drives and fixed disk folders using endpoint security. To see how to create and assign a disk encryption policy or Microsoft Data Encryption policy, view the videos for Encrypt Fixed Disk Volumes or Encrypt Fixed Disk Folders and Removable Drives, respectively. For more information about using ZENworks security products, see the ZENworks documentation page. Thanks for watching.